Welcome to our channel and to our YouTube family. Today I'm going to share with you some affordable and stylish items from Amazon that you can incorporate into your home for the upcoming fall season. This will be part one of a fall decorating series of ideas and inspiration. I hope to give you lots of ideas and inspiration on how you can style these pieces, and I will leave the links to all these products down below in my description box. I also have a complete home tour video that's up on our channel, so I will leave a link for it at the end of this video and also in the description box. The items you are seeing are pieces that are very affordable, and I want to give you some French country, shabby, farmhouse style ways on how you can use these pieces to style your home for fall. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and let's get inspired. If you haven't joined my Facebook home decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. We really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to. And also, if you know someone that would enjoy this video, please share it with your friends and family. And until the next video, I hope y'all have a great week, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching, y'all.